Whether you're brewing tea, making coffee, or just need hot water fast, the right electric kettle makes all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 15 electric kettles on Amazon, combining style, speed, and convenience for every kitchen. First, you need to subscribe, please. Thank you. Let's find your perfect match. At number 1, we have Amazon Basics Glass Carafe Electric Hot Water Kettle. This electric tea kettle boils water quickly. The electric kettle detaches from the base for cordless serving. With a compact build and cord wrap system, this tea kettle is designed for efficient storage. Automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection provide safe operation when you use this electric water boiler. A heat-resistant handle allows safe, comfortable pouring. This 1,500-watt electric kettle boils water quickly. It features an automatic shutoff, boil-dry protection, and a heat-resistant handle. The detachable base allows for easy cordless pouring. This electric teapot also includes a removable filter and a clear water level window. The built-in Strix thermostat contributes to its reliability and performance. With its sleek finish, compact design, and cord wrap system, this electric hot water kettle is easy to store. At number 2, we have Ovente Electric Kettle, Hot Water, Heater 1.7 liter. This electric kettle operates on 1100 W, 120 V, and boils a full 1.7 L of water in minutes. It is 50% more efficient than traditional stovetop kettles in reducing your daily electricity use. This fast heating boiler is BPA-free. You'll be sure that what you'll get is a clean drinking water that's safe for you and your kids. This one is equipped with auto shut-off feature and boil-dry protection technology. It shuts off on its own when the kettle has reached its boiling temperature and switches off the heating element when there is no water in the kettle. The Ovente kettles are famous for their durability and style. Not only does it look great with its trendy colors, it is designed to last long too. It has a stainless steel concealed heating element that extends your kettle's life, compared with non-concealed ones that deteriorate faster. At number 3, we have Cuisinart 1.7 liter stainless steel cordless electric kettle, 1500 watts for fast heat up and 1.7 liter capacity. The perfect temp for every occasion, equipped with 1,500 watts of power for fast heating. This electric kettle brings up to 1 2/3 liters of water to a rolling boil in a matter of minutes. Better than that, it offers 6 different preset heat settings, which allows for steeping tea at just the right temperature depending on the variety. Using the simple one-touch controls on the kettle's handle, select 160 degrees Fahrenheit for delicate teas, 175 degrees Fahrenheit for green tea, 185 degrees Fahrenheit for white tea, 190 degrees Fahrenheit for oolong tea, 200 degrees Fahrenheit for French press coffee, and boil for black tea or to make instant cocoa, oatmeal, noodles, and more. Cuisinart CPK 17 Perfect Temp Cordless Programmable Kettle. The control panel also offers blue LED indicators, a start button, and a keep warm button, which will maintain the set temperature for 30 minutes. One-touch controls with blue LED indicators, 30-minute keep warm option, and 2-minute memory feature. At number 4, we have Elite Gourmet Stainless Steel Interior 1200 W Kettle. The Elite Gourmet 1L Gooseneck Digital Hot Water Kettle is a premium, cordless electric kettle designed for pour-over coffee and other hot beverages and foods that require hot water. The LED digital readout also displays selected and real-time temperatures. The audible indicator lets you know when selected temperature is achieved and gives you the option to silence if not needed. Safety is paramount, so the kettle is equipped with auto shut-off and boil-dry protection. The 360-degree swivel base allows the kettle to rotate securely on the base for 360 degrees access and without tipping over. The cordless feature gives you the flexibility to conveniently and easily pour and serve, and then replace on the base to keep water hot for up to 2 hours. The 360-degree swivel base allows the kettle to rotate securely on the base for 360 degrees access and without tipping over. 1200 watts of power will quickly heat up to 1 liter of water in less than 6 minutes. At number 5, we have Breville IQ Kettle. The Breville IQ Kettle features exact temperature times to bring out optimal taste and quality of your favorite tea or coffee. Pre-programmed and customizable one-touch functionalities create ideal brewing conditions for black, green, white or oolong teas and French press coffee. A bubbling brew presents a few hazards on the way from kettle to cup. This specialized lid gently releases steam and eliminates splashing. One-touch functionality keeps your favorite brew at your chosen temperature for 20 minutes and can be activated before, during, or on completion of the water heating cycle. Cordless jug with 360-degree multi-directional base with cord storage wrap. 5 pre-programmed settings, auto shut-off and boil-dry protection. Capacity: 57 ounces. At number 6, we have Ovente Glass Electric Kettle Water Boiler, 1.5 liter. This electric kettle operates on 1100 W, 120 V, and boils a full 1.5 L pot of water within 7 minutes or less. It is 50% more efficient than traditional stovetop kettles in reducing your daily electricity use. This fast-heating boiler is BPA-free, and its heating element is stainless steel and concealed. You'll be sure that what you'll get is a clean drinking water that's safe for you and your kids. 360 degrees rotary base with built-in cord storage. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions. It has a halo of blue LED lights that illuminate the kettle when it's in use, and it's made with heat-tempered, stain-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel to last long. At number 7, we have Cosori Electric Kettle Stainless Steel Inner Lid, equipped with British Strix thermostat and 1500 watts. The hot water heater swiftly brings water to a boil, fast boiling water in few minutes. Safer than microwaves and stoves. Our stainless steel filter and spout makes our kettle safer than others with plastic filters, even if they have a glass or stainless steel exterior. With automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, this kettle prioritizes safety, ensuring a secure user experience. Specifically designed with a drip-free spout and scald-proof lid, effortlessly controlling water flow and preventing burns. This kettle features a contemporary design with a blue LED indicator light, allowing you to easily know when your water is boiling, even in a dark kitchen. More than just boiling water. Brew tea, coffee, and quick meals with ease. At number 8, we have Vianté Electric Kettle with Tea Infuser for loose-leaf tea archive, the pinnacle of percolation with your Italian-designed glass electric tea kettle from Vianté. Use your electric tea kettle with infuser to steep large amounts of loose-leaf or bag tea. Heat water without the infuser for your French press, pour-overs, and food prep. This electric kettle with temperature control settings for white, green, oolong, and black teas. Take your time sipping. Your kettle has a 30-minute keep warm function. Your electric water kettle is made of 304 stainless steel, borosilicate glass, and BPA-free plastic. Your temperature control electric kettle is backed by our commitment to your complete satisfaction. This kettle is not just a tea brewer. It's a comprehensive iced tea brewer and tea maker machine. This electric iced tea maker is designed for those who love variety, featuring an integrated infuser and a convenient pitcher. At number 9, we have Hamilton Beach Glass Electric Tea Kettle 1 liter. This electric kettle boils up to 1 liter of water faster than a microwave and safer than a stovetop kettle. Make a quick, hot cup of tea or French press coffee anytime without the long wait. Perfect for hectic mornings. The 1-liter glass carafe is BPA-free on the inside. The carafe has measurements on the side for quick reference when precise amounts of water are needed. Wide opening for easy cleaning. The kettle automatically turns off when it reaches a boil. Boil-dry protection keeps the kettle from scorching if water gets low. Looks great in the kitchen. This glass kettle looks great on the kitchen countertop. Blue LED lights on the kettle illuminate when water is heating for a soft blue glow. The cordless kettle lifts off the base to serve hot water at the tabletop or anywhere you're serving hot beverages or need boiling water. At number 10, we have Breville Soft Top Pure Kettle BKE 700 BSS. The Breville Soft Top Kettle combines a soft grip handle and soft opening lid, making a hot beverage as tranquil as drinking one. The push-button, soft opening lid prevents hot water splattering and staggers steam release. A bubbling brew presents a few hazards on the way from kettle to cup. This specialized lid gently releases steam and eliminates splashing. With lid release button and illuminated power button. Cordless jug with 360-degree multi-directional base with cord storage wrap. Made from BPA-free materials. This specialized lid gently releases steam and eliminates splashing to minimize hazards. Features a lid release push button and illuminated power button. At number 11, we have Chefman electric kettle with temperature control. Chefman kettles boil water faster. Boil your water for as little as 3 minutes for tea, hot chocolate, pour-over coffee, and other hot beverages. With the included removable tea infuser, you can steep a whole pot in our hot water kettle to serve multiple people efficiently. Our cord-free portable kettle for heating water allows you to serve guests in another room while leaving the base plugged in. The 360-degree swivel base water warmer holds the cordless electric kettle in your preferred position for easy gripping and mess-free pouring. The lift-out lid completely separates from the kettle to provide a larger space to fill with fresh water and to make cleaning easier. When your water boils or is gone, our hot water kettle electric automatic shutoff stops the kettle teapot heating for added peace of mind and safer boiling. At number 12, we have Peach Street Speed Boil electric kettle for coffee and tea. 1.7L water boiler. 1500W water rushes to a boil in instants. A blue light majestically illuminating the electric water kettle. 1,500 watts and an auto controller provide additional speed and power. An auto shutoff technique switches off the hot water kettle as soon as the water boils to prevent dry boiling. The concealed heating element ensures no toxins leach into the water, and the handle remains cool to the touch for safe handling. This electric tea kettle has a built-in mesh filter that lets you put tea bags or fruit in the water with just the water passing through. The top pops open with the touch of a button, and the wide mouth makes for effortless refilling and cleaning. With a 360 degrees rotating base, you can easily access the kettle H2O boiler from all angles. At number 13, we have Hamilton Beach electric tea kettle, water boiler and heater. 1.7 liter. This electric kettle boils up to 1.7 liters of water faster than a microwave and safer than a stovetop kettle. Make a quick cup of tea, coffee, and more without the long wait. Perfect for hectic mornings. The automatic shutoff feature with boil-dry protection keeps the Hamilton Beach electric kettle from scorching if the water level gets too low. With an attractive blue power light on the front and a simple on-off switch on the back, this cordless electric kettle lets you easily boil and reheat water without any fuss. Designed for years of reliable, worry-free performance and long-lasting style in every kitchen. With the easy-to-view water window, you'll always know how much water is in the stainless steel electric kettle or how much water you've added when refilling. At number 14, we have Comfee stainless steel electric kettle. 1.7 liter premium stainless steel, 304 food-grade stainless steel inner pot, and brushed stainless steel housing. BPA-free food-grade materials, removable nylon filter for easy cleaning, easy-to-view water window. This 1500W electric kettle has concealed heating elements and can boil up to 1.7 liters of water in 5 to 7 minutes, quicker and safer than a microwave. Start your day with a cup of instant coffee or tea. With the professional thermostat controlling system, this kettle can automatically shut off when the water is boiling. Additionally, it has boil-dry protection. Cool touch handle with a simple release button and pop-up lid to protect you from accidental burns. 360-degree swivel base is connected with UL standard power cord for safe usage and convenient storage. At number 15, we have Ninja KT200 Precision Temperature Electric Kettle. Brew at the perfect temperature for green tea, white tea, oolong tea, black tea, herbal tea, and coffee, or simply boil for any other needs. Boil 1 cup of water in as little as 90 seconds. Keeps water at the selected preset for up to 30 minutes. Customize your water temperature for any drink type. Illuminated display helps you easily choose your desired preset and features a live temperature reading. Heat a single cup or fill to the max to make enough for a whole family. Wide lid access and a removable scale filter make for an easy clean. 1500 watt precision temperature kettle, removable scale filter, and power base with cord storage.